Welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah, I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, I'm gonna rewind a bit. This is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial.
Alright, so first I'm going to be priming my lids with the NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in Nude. And then I'm putting some Scotch tape on the outer corners of my eyes. And then next I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. I'm taking that nude shade and putting it in my crease. And then I'm going to be going in with the gray shade and putting that also in the crease. And then next I'm going in with the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I'm going in with that shade Graphite and putting that on my lid with just my fingertips, just because that's just the best way to apply it. And then I take that nice silvery shade from the Naked Smoky palette and put it on top of that. And then I'm taking the black shade in the Naked Smoky palette, Black Dagger, and putting that in my outer corners. And then I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner for the wing liner, and then this liner is a little bit more winged out, I guess, and I took the tape off. Now I'm putting on concealer. It's, if you've been watching my videos for the past month, you know what concealers they are, so I'm not even gonna say it. And then I'm also using the same foundation that I've been using pretty much all month long. Now I'm just kind of expanding the wings. I'm making the spider web. So basically I'm just creating lines coming out from the outer corner of my eye, and then just kind of drawing lines around them, or connecting them to make it look like a spider web. And then I'm just taking that gray shade from the Urban Decay Smoky palette and then just kind of smoking it out, I guess. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and putting the black shade on my lips. And then I'm going to be going over it with the Kai Majesty Matte Metallic Lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. Then I'm going in with the Lock Pro Contour Palette, taking the medium contour shade and using that to contour. And then on top of it, I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter. Then I'm just putting on some false lashes. And then I'm taking the Graftobian Blood Paste and putting some blood dripping from the spider web. And then I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set it.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All of these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check down my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!